Hey guys, today I'm going to make a DIY project, and my project is a strawberry tower. So I'm going to take you to the process while I'm doing this. So watch. First, I germinated strawberry plants from fruit seeds. So to make most of the growing season here in Canada, I started germinating the seeds in May of 2020. I bought a pack of strawberry fruits from the grocery and collected my seeds out of them. Typically, you can prick the seeds of the fruit using a sharp object like a barbecue skewer or a fork and take out any remaining flesh and plant them into container. But as you can see here, I just sliced the seeded layer of the fruit and planted them straight into container with damp soil. Despite my success, I would still encourage you to use the first method that I discussed by popping off the seed using a skewer or any stick to gather the seeds. So after 10 weeks, these are the seedlings. They have grown this much. I planted my grown seedlings into my strawberry tower on July 23, 2020. I bought this laundry container from Walmart, about $10, and I made a hole on the bottom of the container to serve as a water drain. So I'm putting a liner, a landscaping cloth, which I wrap it around the inner wall of the container to protect the soil from coming out. And now I'm going to put some stones at the base of the assembly in order to improve the drainage of water. And then the soil. I'm using a combination of potting soil and an ordinary garden soil. For a layer of about 3 to 4 inches of soil, I'm adding shake and feed fertilizer in order to feed with organic minerals, at the same time encourage growth of earthworms that will make the earth loose. Now these seedlings are ready to be transplanted into the tower. On each hole of the container where I intend to plant the strawberry seedling, I make a cut on the liner using a pair of scissors. And now, the finished product. So this is how it looks on July 23rd, 2020. That's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching, and I hope you do like and subscribe to this channel. I will give you an update soon, especially to show you how these strawberries have thrived through the winter, and I really hope that it will give me fruits this coming summer. So stay on. I'll give updates very soon. Bye then, and thank you for watching.